Former Foreign Affairs Minister Mzembi has been found not guilty of criminal abuse of office by the High Court in Harare. He was accused of illegally donating public um, viewing television sets that belonged to the Ministry of Tourism while he was minister. Sarabina mashoko buda panguva ine tinowanzi awa Walter Mzembi has been acquitted. Walter Mzembi on purpose aiwa haana mhaka ndobva subscribe like on the bill icon. Tipinda panapa news by Tomdanyira Chiti. High Court Judge Benjamin Chikowero ruled that the state failed to prove its case because it did not bring key witnesses to court. The judge says the witnesses who testified who did not confirm that Mzembi personally approved the donation of the television sets. The judge also said documents presented in court showed but that the ministry and not Mzembi himself handled the allocation of television sets. A former permanent secretary who wrote a memo about the distribution of the TVs was not called to testify, which the judge said seriously weakened the state's case. Judge Chikowero also criticized the police investigation, saying it was poorly handled. He said the state only proved that Mzembi was a public officer but failed to prove that he abused his office or was responsible for government property. As a result, Mzembi was acquitted. Toma developments and Buddha Pangwa Inomaris Mavina section area what give us a bit to each. So subscribe, like, and share on the bell icon.